Let's make a pine cone print. Let's begin with the silhouette of a pine cone. With your marker, draw the outer edge and color solid. Pine cones are wood structures that protect the seed of the tree until it is ready to be released. Next, color the opposite side of the index card with an oil pastel. Ready for a creativity tip? Place the index card on a sheet of paper with the pine cone silhouette facing you. Use a pen or pencil to sketch in the details. To create lights and darks, use hatching and cross-hatching lines. Close overlapping lines create dark areas, and lines further apart create light areas. As you press firmly on the card, the image transfers to the paper. This printing technique is called trace monotype. Parents and teachers, subscribe to Crayola Learning YouTube channel and follow on social media for more colorful, creative content. Thank you for letting your ideas shine today and stay colorful with creativity tips.